Hello, my name is John Botting and I am an instructor, an EAP instructor at a university. In this video, I am going to talk to you about paragraph structure and paragraph format. If you are an EAP student or even any student in a university, you need to know how to write well, you need to know how to structure and format your writing, and the basis for that, the basic place to start for that is certainly paragraph. Right? Okay, first, paragraph structure. Your paragraph starts with something called a topic sentence. A topic sentence signals or lets the reader know what you're going to talk about in that paragraph. It's the map for what you're going to say. And so that's the topic sentence. It is the most important sentence in your paragraph. Now, it is the map, and everything else should follow the map. That means everything else should be relevant, it should be meaningful and relevant to the topic sentence, and it should be each supporting detail. I have three here, 1, 2, 3. Each one should be somewhat unique. You shouldn't simply be saying the same thing. You say something in supporting detail 1 and you say the same idea in supporting detail number 2, but you're just changing the words. Each one has to be a somewhat unique idea. They can support each other too, but basically you don't want to be repeating yourself. So we've got topic sentence, most important sentence in your paragraph, followed by supporting details. Supporting details can be evidence, they can be facts, they can be opinions of experts, they can, or yourself even, they can be examples, descriptions, all kinds of things. So we have topic sentence, supporting detail number 1, which supports topic sentence, supporting detail number 2, which supports topic sentence, supporting detail number 3, which supports topic sentence. There are no sentences in there. Let's say if you're talking about space travel, NASA, the Mars mission or something like this, you're talking about science and technology, then you shouldn't be talking about advances in ballet or something like this, which is a different field, right? There's nothing wrong with that field, but it doesn't belong in your discussion about the Mars mission, right? And students often have trouble with this. You have to stay in a straight line talking about something that's relevant to your topic. Sometimes students go like this, off to the side, and then they go off, totally off, and they're talking about something crazy. And then maybe they come back to the main topic, or maybe they don't. They just keep going off into outer space with their writing. Okay, so that is the structure of a paragraph. Topic sentence, supporting detail number 1, supporting detail number 2, supporting detail number 3. You can have more if you want, but I'm just giving you 3. And then if you're just writing one paragraph, maybe the teacher will ask you to have a concluding sentence. Or if you're writing more than one paragraph, you might have a transition sentence that leads you into the next paragraph. Yes. I almost never write concluding sentences because I'm always writing more than one paragraph. Sometimes I'll put in a transition sentence. That is paragraph structure. Topic sentence, supporting details, and maybe a concluding sentence or a transition sentence. So, to give you an example, let's look at this. I can't see. Here we go. Mobile technology is changing the world. Wow. That topic sentence is changing the world. Topic sentence. Mobile technology is changing the world. My whole paragraph now has to support this. I can't talk, my keywords are mobile technology, changing, world. Right? Everything has to follow this. And if I'm not following it, I'm not on topic. So, mobile technology is changing the world. For example, I should put TS, topic sentence. Now I have supporting detail number 1. It's an example. For example, the 2011 protests in Egypt, which resulted in President Hosni Mubarak stepping down, were largely organized through Facebook and Twitter. Okay, there's an example. And then I go to number 2, supporting detail number 2. People almost always have their mobile phones with them. Now remember, my topic is not Egypt. My topic is mobile technologies changing the world. So I go back to talking about phones. People almost always have their mobile phones with them. All right. I'm back on track there. I'm always on track. Number 3, this means for the first time in history that people are able to communicate and coordinate instantaneously and ubiquitously. Ubiquitously means everywhere at once. Okay, there it is. So topic sentence, supporting detail number 1, supporting detail number 2, supporting detail number 3. Now I'm moving into a concluding sentence. The pace of change is fast, and it will be very interesting to see how mobile technology impacts the world over the next 10 years. Dun, 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 dun. So I followed very closely this paragraph structure. Topic sentence, 3 supporting details, and a concluding sentence. Lovely. And everything is relevant. Nothing repeats. I'm not repeating between number 1 and number 2 or 3. There's no repetition. So nice. What else do you need to know? Now we need to talk about format. Format means how does it look? So structure is how is it organized, and format is how does it look? Well, it's on a piece of white paper, just plain white paper from the computer, no pretty pink paper with flowers and borders and things like this, just a piece of plain white paper. In university, that's what we want to see, and that's all we want to see. And then the next thing that you notice is it was written with a computer, not handwriting, a computer. This makes it, we can read it most easily that way, and we can transfer files electronically. I mean, we're in 2011 now. At least when I make this video, it's 2011. You should be using a computer. So, computer. You can see here, right here, I've indented. Come on, marker. Right here. There's a space there. I have indented. In. This lets me know I'm starting a paragraph. And then I have a capital letter and a period. You know, that signals a sentence. And then the next sentence, just a space after my period, and then a capital letter, and a period. So I have one sentence one, and then I have another sentence. I don't need to start a new line for the next sentence. I just follow behind the period. That's how it works. It's all one big long string. It's a number of ideas following the topic sentence, and it's all one string, one after the other, one sentence after the other. You don't need to start a new line for every sentence. And then finally, at the end, period, there it is. That's the end of my paragraph. If I wanted to have a new paragraph, then I would hit enter, and I would come down, and I would have an indent, and then I would start my next one. So there's a capital, a period, a capital, a period. You can see here too that all of this is a straight line. That's called left justify. Here it's all crooked, crazy, crazy, crazy crooked. You don't need to worry about that side. This side doesn't have to be straight. It's only the left side that needs to be straight. Okay? You can also see, because the reason for that is if this is straight, it's going to stretch the spaces and things like that. We don't want that. It's also double spaced between the lines. Those are the most important things that you need to know about structure and format. Topic sentence, supporting details, maybe a concluding or transition sentence. And you should be using normal paper, white paper from a printer, computer, black ink, and that's about it. That's all I'll tell you about paragraph structure and format. I hope you learned something, and I hope you have great success with your paragraphs.